Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple and practical way to use Microsoft Word for free without installing Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop. No setup, no cracked software, no heavy downloads. All you need is an internet browser and one simple link. This method works on almost any computer, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create, edit, save, and download Word documents, all without installing anything. So take your time, relax, and let me walk you through this step by step. All right, let's get started. Now, this method is especially useful in a lot of real-life situations. Maybe you're using a shared office or school computer. Maybe your Microsoft Word license has expired, or your PC just doesn't have enough storage space, or you simply need to create a quick document and you don't want to install software just for that. Whatever the case is, this method has you covered. Let me show you how it works. I'm opening my web browser now. You can use Google Chrome, Edge, or any modern browser. In the address bar, I'll type word.new and press enter. If you're not signed in already, Microsoft will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. I'm already signed in, so it takes me straight in. And just like that, a blank Microsoft Word document opens immediately inside the browser. No installation required. Quick, simple, and clean. What you're looking at here is Microsoft Word Online. At the top, you'll notice the familiar ribbon with tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, Review, and View. Below that is the document area where we type our content. Up here on the top left, you can see the document name. You can click on it anytime to rename your file. If you've used Microsoft Word before, this interface will feel very familiar, almost identical to the desktop version. Now let's do something practical. I'll type a simple sentence here. This document was created using Microsoft Word Online. I'll highlight the text. Let me make it bold. I'll increase the font size a bit. And let me also change the font color. I'll center align it as well. No installation, no stress, work anywhere. As you can see, all the basic formatting tools work exactly the way you expect them to. Now here's something very important to notice. I still haven't clicked any save button. That's because Word Online automatically saves your document as you type. It saves directly to OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage. So even if your browser closes or your computer shuts down unexpectedly, your work is still safe. Now let's say you already have an existing Word document on your computer and you want to continue working on it. I'll click on File. Then I'll choose Open. Here you'll see your recent files. These are documents you've worked on before and saved to OneDrive. But look down here at the bottom. You'll see an option that says Open Files from this device. I'll click on that. From here, I can select a Word document stored on my computer. I'll choose a file and open it. And there you go. The document opens directly inside Word Online, ready for editing. This is very powerful. It means you can edit Word files even if Microsoft Word is not installed. Your local document gets backed up online automatically, and you can continue working on the same file later from another computer or even your phone. So Word Online isn't just an editor, it also works as a cloud backup solution. Now, when you're done editing and you want to download the file for offline use, that's also very easy. I'll click on File again. Then choose Create a Copy. From here, you have two options. You can create a copy online, or you can download the file to your computer. We want to save it locally, so I'll select Download a Copy. I'll click Download a Copy again. And just like that, the document downloads as a standard .docx Word file. You can open it later using Microsoft Word or any compatible application. Let me open it quickly, and there it is. So that's how to use Microsoft Word for free without installing it using word.new. You can create new documents, open existing ones, save automatically online, and download files for offline use, all directly from your browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical tech tutorials, tips, and productivity tricks. Until next time, stay blessed and keep coding smarter, not harder.